I was talking to my son this morning, and we were talking about my timing model because it's been 4 years that we've been on this moratorium saying that the peak is in. If you buy now, you're going to lose. And the timing model is starting to turn green. It's starting to say it's going to be good time to buy. It's going to be scary as all get out. And that's my job, is to reduce the risk in your portfolio. And my son said, scared money doesn't make big money. And I thought, we should title that, because that's exactly right. I've been prepping you for all this time saying, don't buy. Make sure that your income is good, that you're paying your bills, that your credit's good. Put a big cash stack together. First off, if the economy does what I think it's going to do, you're going to need some money. If your job's not good, don't go in arrears, and make sure your credit is good. But I'm telling you that I can see a Lehman event coming. Yeah, I can see it. It's on our charts. That is what, so I'm explaining to Rob, I'm saying, we look for things. The timing is telling us that we should have an event coming, and we should be starting to look for it. And my next event is this waterfall event. Let me go over here to the slide. Is this waterfall event right here? We expect something to happen because we are beyond a reasonable doubt coming down this side of the axis, and we're going to retrace. Now, how far we trace, that's going to be local. That's going to make a difference. But we are going to do this. So what event is coming that's going to cause the waterfall? I don't know. There's a couple of them. All I have to do is be aware. First off, the economy is certainly slowing down. We have a war in Iran, and oil is over $100 a barrel. And of course, if we start shooting this weekend, that $100 barrel could go to $200. And of course, that impacts everywhere. Now, it isn't so bad in the United States because we're oil and energy independent. But places like Ireland and Germany and France, Korea, Japan, China has its own problems. So I'm looking for a major problem to come along. So could it be energy related? Absolutely. Could it be war related? Absolutely. Here's another one. Here's a Lehman event. And this is what I see, is that we're definitely seeing signs of financial stress. And it looks like to me like we're going to have a credit event. And I think we're having it now. One of the tells for me is the fact that we have obviously seeing billions of dollars in fraud. Go look at my other videos. We've talked about this ad infinitum, and yet interest rates are going up. That means someone is selling bonds. Now, treasury bonds are reserved for a lot of banks. So the bank starts selling. What does that tell you? They're into the reserves. Things are not good, and they're selling their reserves, their bonds, which causes interest rates to go because they're selling pressure. And then when they get this, they have to convert and use those dollars. They have to buy those dollars because there's a shortage of dollars. They need the cash. So there's 3, maybe 4 items that I think that can give us that waterfall event. Now, if it does, that is on our timing model. Let me go to my next slide here, and let's just talk about what that does for us. Now, look, here's more signs. I put this in. I got this from Daniel DiMartino booth this morning. I mean, this is absolutely fresh. April 13th. This is a very bad sign when you see payrolls and earnings are declining. I mean, worse since probably the COVID. And you're seeing real private aggregate payrolls and earnings dropping. Look at this. We got this today, too, from Zero Hedge. March 26th is listing home sales fall, the largest decline since November of 2022. And look at this. This is more pending. The last one was towards a Lehman collapse. We haven't had this bad of pending home sales since 2009. So this is vindicating my timing model, guys. It's saying that something is coming. So hold on to your cash, but get ready. Now, what have we been saying? We've been saying don't buy. I have been saying don't buy. We're doing 1031 exchanges, getting out of some really nasty locations. I mean, get out of Seattle, Portland. Oh my God. We've been talking about get out of Portland, get out of Minneapolis for 3 or 4 years. Talk about get out of San Diego and California. People are leaving in droves. We've been saying this for 3 or 4 years. You know, you would have gotten a jump on it. You would have gotten much more money. Now, there's really good markets in the country. Florida and Texas are great markets, but they're way ahead of themselves. Here in Arizona, surprise, surprise, this shocks me. We're doing pretty good, you know, surprisingly. Now, we're not going to be immune. We're already down. So it's an affordability problem. We've talked about that. We've talked about the fact that we have affordability problem here in Phoenix, Arizona. Some of our portfolios are down 20%. You know, so when the went up to median was up like $500,000, now it's down around $4 million. Well, if you put 25 grand down, you're $75,000 underwater. Not good for you. But if you listen to our advice, you wouldn't be there. We said we quit buying when we saw we hit the top. So now what we're seeing is that we're coming down and we are going to hit the bottom. Let me open this up a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about here. This is a very, very important video. Now, it's just time. It's just time. You know, it's an amazing thing. It just, I know I get pushback from people. They tell me, oh, no, you're wrong. There's no such thing as a time. Look, even Paul Volcker understood the business cycle, that it comes in a business cycle and it is real. So everything cycles. You know, you've got the business cycle, you've got the interest rate cycle, we've got the real estate cycle. So here we are, 18 and a half years, and it is just time. And we are looking for, on our model, some kind of a Lehman event. And I think we've got 2 or 3 identified. That's very possible. Let me go to my slide so you can see this. Now, look at, we talked about this. Here's one of the confirmations. We're talking about the fact when we use a proxy, you know, so we're going to use a proxy for real estate. So, and this is easier. So if we use Lennar or Toll Brothers, which have an equity position, we can track and use equity because it's got more data points to it. Now, this is coming out of Wolf Street. This is a great site. You should look at it. But it's talking about the fact that on the Lennar chart, they went up and they're come down just like they're supposed to. That is just what happens. So we've seen it come up and it's come down. Now, if we take it along and take a look at the time continuum, that takes us to 2017. That's where we're at currently, right now. So Wolf Street, this is a great chart. Wall Street has calculated this, and we've confirmed it. So I'm going to tell you, it's back to 2017 prices. Get that? On new homes. New homes are leading the way. So we have a possibility of going down to 2017 prices, which means that all of the 2020 COVID, which is just what our timing model tells you, all the COVID money is going to be retraced. That's the explosive phase and the accumulation phase, both of which look like they're going to be retraced. Now, we still have ours. We're cash flowing very, very nicely with our portfolio because that's what it was designed to do. Now, let's just open this up and let's just talk about what we're seeing. So this is, when we use this, is coming from Charles Hugh Smith. We have used this for years. It is a very, very good chart for us. It identified the trophy properties. And these come to market, you know, every 18 years or so, because the trophy property is from someone who owns properties doing very well, and all of a sudden their business starts to fall apart and they need to get rid of their toys. And, you know, these come on market. They're generally fairly high, but they're unique properties. Now, when you come down here, here's buy point 1. We are coming very close. We are going to be at buy point 1 very, very soon. Buy point 1 very, very soon. What does this mean for you? Well, it means that we need to start getting ready to buy something. Now, we're not going to buy anything. We're not going to buy everything. We're only going to buy those that do what? we only have 2 rules in my business: make money and don't ever lose money. So we think we can make some money. Now, again, this is the first buy point. Now, it's still higher than what it's going to be. So it's going to still continue trend, but most of the risk has been removed. Now, unless we get it, into a end of the world situation, we should be fine. Now, we're going to look real good at this. Now, what does that mean for you? It means if you're going to buy 10 properties, maybe you buy one, just one. Maybe 10% of your capital gets deployed. If you're only going to buy 2 properties, don't do this. But keep in mind, we get cash flow. Cash flow is going to be an incredibly nice thing to have, particularly if we get into recession, because your businesses are going to suffer. And what you need is some kind of supplemental income, and this is going to provide that for you at a reasonable price. And a lot of the risk, not all the risk is removed, but a reasonable amount is. Now, I'm keeping my portfolio. I did not sell it. My properties are free and clear, and they're cash flowing like crazy. How do you get rid of a cash cow? You don't. I'm willing to ride this because I think it's going to come back up. It's going to take a few years. This is not going to happen right away, but we're going to accumulate really, really good properties that you only get 3 times in your life a chance to do this. We're coming up upon one now. Now, this is not for, if you're barely getting by, this is not for you. But if you're in California and you need a shelter, if you're in Oregon and you need a shelter, if you're in Washington and you're just getting taken to the cleaners, this will shelter some of your money and give you income. These buildings, if you pay $400,000 for a property, you're going to get the first $12,000 of income tax-free. Yeah, tax-free. If you're a big wage earner, that's pretty important to you. Let me go to my next slide. Let's just take a look at that. Now, yes, this goes on like this all the time. This side is really, really fun. We are over here. We're going to come down, and we're going to come down this. It's going to come down hard, and that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting something is going to happen right now, and we're going to come down hard. It's going to come down here. Then we're just kind of float along down here. We want to buy right through here, just a little bit. We just want to put our toes in the water, get a little bit of a position, and start accumulating all through here. Because up through here, this is just an enormous amount of money that we make. Now, I'm going to tell you, I've used this before too. So here's 2 of the last cycles. So this is coming out of March 1991. This is an exact, so if you paid cash, you would have earned 328% capital gain. Plus, you're going to be earning all kinds of cash flow. Now, on this one, you would have earned 527% capital gain on a cash basis, but we're not going to pay cash. We're going to leverage probably 4 to 1, maybe 3 to 1, and that's going to multiply that. It's going to be a force multiplier for us, and we're going to get 3 times, 4 times that. So instead of getting 350% capital gains, we're going to get 1,500. Instead of 500%, we're going to get 2,000. Where do you go to get that? Now that's coming. It's not for everybody, but if you've got money and you're getting your taxed to death, then you should really contact us and let's see if we can't do something about that. Now, this is where I'm at. This is me. I'm here. I'm with a multi-billion-dollar firm. They do our compliance. They do all of our bookkeeping. They take care of all of our back orders. Call me. See if we are a good fit for each other. It's time to make a lot of money. Now, I know that it's going to be scary. I've been saying it's going to be scary for 3 years. As my son says, scared money does not make big money. And I love that. I think that's just wonderful. So call me, guys. My very best to you. Bye-bye now.